Okay, now if we want to use the for loop, but this time I want a counter here, okay? Well, how to do that? Well, actually there are a lot of ways, but using the range function is very popular and very easy way to do that. So for I n, and I will use the range function as this, okay? And from 2, so from 0 to 10, for example, okay? And then let's print I, okay? So for I in this range, and print I, and print the final I. Now let's check what will happen here. Let's clear the screen first. And yeah, as expected. So you can see it starts from 0 and ends to 9. Now why it is 9? Because this is n minus 1. So which means 9 in my case. So if I want it to be 10, I need to provide as 11 here, and it will work. We are using a for loop with a range.